Hi, I'm Kathy, the art teacher from Art Projects for Kids. Over the past 20 years, my website has helped millions of kids learn how to draw. Today's drawing video is about how to draw Wonder Woman. She's a pretty powerful role model for girls these days, and I have an easy way to draw her. Let's get started. The art supplies you're going to need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. For some extra help, you can always download this free matching tutorial from my website. Also, before you begin drawing, I recommend taking a moment to create guidelines on your paper. Just fold and crease the paper in half in both directions. You'll end up with lines that match my tutorial, which really help you as you draw. Step number 1. Start with drawing Wonder Woman's head that is near the top of the paper. Make 2 dots like this, and then draw the right side that includes the part in her hair. When the right side is done, draw a matching left side of her head. Now draw a line across her forehead to create the headband that she wears. Step number 2. Draw her neck coming down and then the shoulder on the right, and then do the same on the left side. Now make 2 dots like I'm showing here, which will be the top and the bottom of her dress. Draw a pointed line up and then a curved line down for the waist, and then the side and curved bottom of the skirt. Afterwards, draw the same shape on the left side. The decorations on her dress start with an angled line near the top. And when the right side is finished, then draw the same shape on the left side. Now here's a little detail, but it does add to her look. Draw a point like I'm doing here, and then erase the line underneath it. Step number 3. Now for her waist, draw a kind of stretched out W shape and a matching one underneath it. Step number 4. Wonder Woman's right leg is angled down from under her skirt like this. It curves in for her knee and her ankle. When you're done with the leg, add a foot shape below it. Now draw the left leg the same way, angled out a bit and the same length, of course. Afterwards, add a foot on that leg too. Step number 5. To make it look like she's wearing boots, draw a point shape beneath the knee and add a line going down the center for the rest of the boot. Draw the same shape on the left side so she looks like she has matching boots. Step number 6. Now it's time to finish her pose with her bent arms. Start with just the arm shape first. And when that's done, add the hand that overlaps her hips. Draw the shape and then erase the line inside. Now start the arm on the left side the same way you did on the right. And finish the arm with a hand, erasing the line inside again. Step number 7. Now just a couple of curved lines will create her famous wristbands. Also, 2 curved lines on her arm will create her armband. Step number 8. Okay, now it's time to draw Wonder Woman's face. Start with 4 dots for her eyes so you know they will be the same size. Then connect the dots and draw the inside lines to finish her eyes. Her nose is a simple line and the mouth goes right underneath it. Draw an ear on both sides of her head. Then for her long hair, draw a wavy line like this on the right side. Add a wavy line on the left side to complete the shape. And finally, draw a horizon line somewhere in the background. Oh, and I almost forgot to add the star on her headband. Step number 9. Okay, now it's time to trace Wonder Woman with a good black marker. Remember to work slowly, there's a lot of little details here. And as always, before you start to color, it's really smart to take an eraser and get rid of any little pencil lines that are still showing through. Okay, it's finally coloring time. I think it's easiest to fill in her eyes with a black marker. Her black hair, though, I think looks best with a crayon. Be sure to fill in all those hair shapes. Now, if you can, find a nice bronze color for her bands. I think I like this color for her boots, too. Wonder Woman's dress is red on the top. I recommend pressing hard to get a really bright red. Her skirt then is blue. Try to color that in neatly too, so you end up with a really colorful dress. And finally, her skin color. I'm going to use a peach color. Remember, you always need to press really hard for these light colors to show up. Oh, and I almost forgot her red lips. For the background of this drawing, I'm going to go with a bright green on the bottom. It's one of those colors that always seems to brighten up any drawing. And last but not least is the background sky. My favorite is this blue color that never seems to be too light or too dark. And there is my finished drawing of Wonder Woman. You know, she does have quite a few details on her costume, but I hope you learned that none of them are too hard to do when you take them just one step at a time. Hey, thanks for drawing with me today, and I do hope you've enjoyed this Wonder Woman drawing video. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids, where you can find more tutorials like how to draw Supergirl and how to draw superheroes. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.